Hi, it's Miss Cool, and guess what? I have another thank you video to make because a wonderful donor sent me a package. So, open this sucker up. Clean up after myself. I got a message in this one! Thank you! So, these were... Clean up after myself. These are the Welly Bravery bandages. And so I've still got some regular multi-skin tone Band-Aids. But I was like, well, but what if I got some cool looking ones? I'm actually not going to open that, but they have different designs on this one. So it's something I like having Band-Aids in my room because it's a little bit of a hike to get all the way down to the office where the nurse's station is. So it just, unless it's something major, if it's something that just like a hangnail or something that I can just, hey, don't bleed all over stuff, then we can continue with instruction and the student isn't taken away from the class. So bonus. And if it's just little happy bandages, it's just something that makes an otherwise bad time suck a little bit less. So I got a gift message, and so this says it's from Kari Curtley. So thank you so much, Kari. I really appreciate it. It's so nice to know that people who aren't even, parents of these students are taking an interest in my classroom and in my students and in our community. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. Bye.